today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear anonymous while using Google Docs, ensuring your privacy is protected. So let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this with a few simple steps. To begin, you'll want to start by opening your Google Docs. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the very top right corner of your browser window. You should see 3 horizontal dots stacked on top of each other. This is the Chrome menu button, often referred to as the Options or Settings menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a host of options, but what we're interested in right now is the option that says New Incognito Window. By clicking on New Incognito Window, you effectively open a new browser session that doesn't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data. This is a handy trick not just for anonymity in Google Docs, but also for maintaining privacy in general while browsing the web. It's important to note that while incognito mode restrains your browser from saving data, it doesn't make you invisible on the internet. Websites, your employer, or your internet service provider can still track your activity. Now, with your incognito window open, you'll want to return to your original Google Doc and copy the link to the document. Simply highlight the entire URL found in your address bar. Once highlighted, right-click and select Copy, or use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to ensure you snag the right link. Once copied, move back to your incognito window. Click on the address bar there, right-click, and hit Paste, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Then hit Enter. Now that you've pasted the link into your incognito window, you'll be able to view the document without your Google account being visible. As you interact with the document, you might notice when trying to leave comments that instead of your name being shown, only anonymous will appear. This is exactly what you want if you're looking to maintain a level of privacy while working within Google Docs. And there you have it, a simple and effective method to appear anonymous in Google Docs. Remember to use incognito mode whenever you need that extra bit of privacy. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more content, as well as sharing your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.